Lesson 2. Interconnection. In ecosystems, every species depends on others. Even tiny changes ripple across the web of life. Example: in Guam, brown tree snakes were introduced by humans. Birds went extinct. No birds meant no seed dispersal. Forests started dying. Lesson: our actions, even small ones, affect everything. We must design policies, systems, and products with these interconnections in mind. Nature's resilience lies in diversity. A diverse forest survives droughts, pests, and change. A monoculture? It collapses easily. Biodiversity ensures pollination, water purification, disease regulation, and climate stability. Lesson: whether it's your garden, your team, or your ideas, diversity equals strength.